You spoke in tongues?
Yeah.
What the fuck, dude?
So yeah, I was super Pentecostal, and there was a certain point, like a philosophical point, at which I realized that the spirituality that I was experiencing wasn't Jesus Christ as the Bible portrays him. It was spirituality as the human race experiences it, whether it's like
Wave high.
pantheism or monotheism or any of that shit.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah. I said
for me,
wave,
I
and you got a
definitely
piece
feel
in the middle finger.
more like God is everything, God is everywhere. From the
I love you.
yeah,
Yeah.
Pentecostal things
Much
that I felt,
alive.
like falling on your knees, like
A little bit.
anything that hits me in that kind of way, like whether it's Jesus, whether it's fucking Buddha, whether it's anything else, like I can fall on my knees and like bow down. Like I feel strongly enough about anything, whether or not it's Jesus, like about that. So that's the point at which I was like, I don't know about this singular religion, and then I started like exploring my sexuality, and I started like realizing